In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create recurring tasks automatically in Jira using built-in automation. If your team handles the same operational work every week or every month, automating that process can save a huge amount of time. Instead of manually creating the same tickets again and again, you can let Jira generate them for you on a schedule. This helps keep your board organized, improves visibility, and reduces the risk of important work being forgotten. To get started, open your preferred web browser and go to your Jira Cloud site, or sign in through the Atlassian login page using your secure account. Once you're on the main dashboard, open the project where you want these recurring issues to be created. On the left-hand sidebar, scroll all the way down and click Project Settings. This is where you'll find the controls we need for project-level automation. Inside Project Settings, look down the left side menu until you find Automation, usually marked with a small lightning bolt icon. Click that once to open the automation area. Jira will load your project's existing rules if there are any. In the top right corner, click Create Rule to begin building a new automation. Jira will first ask you to choose a trigger. For a recurring task, select Scheduled. This is the option that lets you define exactly when the automation should run. In the Settings panel, choose the frequency that matches your workflow. For example, every week on Monday at 9 a.m. Once the timing looks correct, click Save. This locks in the schedule for your rule. Next, we need to tell Jira what to create when that schedule runs. Click the plus icon to add a component, then choose New Action. From the list of actions, select Create Issue. In the configuration panel, choose the destination project, then select the issue type such as task or story. After that, enter a clear summary for the issue. Keep the title concise and easy to recognize, since this is what your team will see each time the ticket is created. Then click Save. If your recurring workflow includes multiple smaller steps, you can extend the automation by adding subtasks. Click Add Component underneath the main Create Issue action. Choose New Action again, and then select Create Subtask. Enter the specific subtask name you want Jira to generate. You can repeat this process to build out a more structured, recurring workflow when needed. Finally, give your rule a clear and professional name so it's easy to identify later in the automation list. Then click Turn on Rule to activate it. Jira will save the rule and begin running it on the schedule you configured. Once it's live, your recurring tasks will be created automatically, helping your team stay consistent, organized, and focused on the work that matters most. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in